In this video, I am gonna share with you that how I made my very first game in Unreal Engine 5 in just 7 days. And after this video, you are gonna know that how difficult it is to make a game solo. Yeah, it's not easy, I can assure you that, but it's not impossible either. Even you can make a game just like me, if you are ready to get absolutely destroyed by your own freaking computer. The engine that I am using is Unreal Engine 5. Yeah, that Unreal which is used to make your favorite AAA title, Fortnite. It is a pretty cool engine, but it's not easy to make a game in it, I can tell you that. And if you're wondering about me, I am a Unity game developer and I made some of my games in Unity in the past, but never make a video about them or released them. Okay, maybe I also didn't finish some of my games, but there is 2 games that I released in the itch.io that you can play. So as a Unity game developer, I am accustomed to writing scripts. And the problem is the Unreal Engine uses the blueprints for games. Yeah, there is C++, but my nut-sized tiny brain cannot learn that C++ language from the scratch, which Unreal uses. So I has to learn the blueprints while making my game. So as any beginner will do, I just went to YouTube to learn the Unreal.
What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today
Okay, don't mind if I do. Templates. What are these? Okay, let's select the third person. Okay, now let's create this. Okay. Oh, what the game already made itself for me. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nah, I'm just kidding. The real problem begins now. How do you use blueprints? What is an actor? What is a pawn? What does this do? Trust me, there are so many things that I had to learn to make my game. So the first thing I did after watching the tutorial was changing my character to this. Wait, what the... Okay, now it's right I guess. Then I added some animations and... Okay, maybe it's not working. Okay, now it is working. Then I just added a hat for the player. Don't ask me the reason because I don't know either. I made a basic enemy AI to chase the player and it's working nice. Then I added a coin to pick up so you have something to do other than get beaten up by that dumb AI that I just made. And I also added some particle effect which will play when you pick up a coin. And it's working fine. But there is a problem. As you can see, the player is immortal, so he cannot die. So I made UI to indicate the damage and the coins. But as you can see, the health bar is not working, so I have to implement the health system now. Okay, now it's working. And now player can die. Maybe in just 2 hits. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, it is fixed now and yeah, I also added some UI like game over menu and main menu. Then I added a dash function so that you guys can escape from the enemy without getting smashed in just 2 hits. And now it's the time to add the map that you guys gonna play in. So I added this asset from the fab. And after putting up the assets together, I got this map. But there is a small issue that if the player go to the edge of the map, then well, he can just fall. So I added invisible walls all around the edges. And it's done. So here's the overview. There are total 9 coins to collect without dying of course. And no, I am not revealing what they are. So that's all. That's the whole gameplay. So yeah, that's how I made my very first Unreal Engine 5 game in just 7 days. It's junky, it's chaotic, but I love it. You can download it in the description. Try to survive and let me know that how fast you find all the 9 coins. And hey, if this made you laugh or helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who wants to suffer. Sorry, I mean learn the Unreal Engine 5.